Hey everybody, this is Jamila Shields with the Newbie Marketer. Welcome back to my channel. How you been? I missed the day, you guys. I'm taking care of some personal issues with my family, but I'm back. So here today, it was something that I wanted to do because I have the My Lead Gen secret and I have the uh, email autoresponder, Getresponse, right? So I already have email flowing, an email sequence flowing with the Getresponse autoresponder. So I was thinking in my head, I said, what can you do with those leads? Because you can't send the emails with My Lead Gen secret. You can send them your offers, you can promote your offer, but if you already have an autoresponder set up with your other sequence and you have good returns on that already, and you know that My Lead Gen secret sends you 100 to 200 leads a day, and you can actually use these people. They're people, you guys, and they're ready to buy. These are high converting buyer leads. So I was like, well, you know what, since I have a sequence already set up, guess what, why not convert those leads from there and add them to my autoresponder? Now, mind you, with Getresponse, you do have to, well, if you're on the low plan, the $15 plan only allows you 1,000 leads. Now, if you want to add all of your leads, because mind you, I'm up to what, 1,600 leads now with My Lead Gen. So I will only be adding a portion of those because I don't want to exceed the 1,000 leads. Now, once I do go on, I will upgrade with Getresponse. But right now, I have one going already. I have a sequence going. So I wanted to add them to my sequence. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys today how I did that. Is so quick. It's so simple. It took me maybe 5 to 10 minutes, if that, to do this, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. But before I do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button in the corner for more videos I will be giving you, okay? So let's go ahead and we're going to share the screen. I'm going to start with My Lead Gen secret. And we're going to go ahead and look at how many leads I have. Okay, so right now I am up to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 1,800 leads. Okay, I was mistaken. I'm at 1,800 leads now. I'm getting 200 leads per day. Okay, remind you, you get 3,000 to 6,000 leads per month with My Lead Gen secret, all high converting people. Okay, so what I'm going to show you is how you can find out how great you're doing first. Let's look at the statistics with My Lead Gen secret, and you'll know that these are high converting leads. And I've actually used some of these emails from My Lead Gen secret into my Getresponse autoresponder, and I have been getting some great results with the openings. Okay, so as you can see, I started off here on 5/13. It was okay. I did okay. I got some opens, and just the other day I decided I wanted to use 1,400. I want to use all 1,400 and send out my email. So look at this, 208 open so far, and this was just 2 days ago. So I have 208 open, 28 clicks, and I had 2 okay days where I had 5 and 4 clicks, but the open rate is awesome. Okay, for only sending out 100, I got 100 leads. My first day, 100 leads was 47 openings and 15 clicks. That's good for only 100 people. 200 was 336, 36 opens and 12 clicks. And then these 2 days, you know, you have to tweak them, and it's a learning process. You know, it's trial and error and everything you do. But look at this, it skyrocketed up. Now I have 28 clicks. So these leads are very, very profitable. They are high converting, and they're eager people. Okay, remember they are people. So what I wanted to do is take some of these leads. We're going to go back to my leads. I did this earlier just so I can show you guys how to do it. So we go back to my leads. You know how I am. All right, come on, computer. Come on, computer. All right, so we're back here. So what I did was I took, all you have to do is highlight these little boxes on the corner. So I just did these earlier. I'm just gonna take, I started from the bottom. So I'm gonna take just 200, I did 2, 4, 2, 4, 6. So I'm gonna go from May 19th and I'm gonna add 200 more people to my list. Okay, so all you have to do is download my leads. Move that out the way, guys. So I download them and it becomes a CSV file and you can open it up with Excel. Everyone should have Excel on your laptop or your home computer or your Mac. If you do not, get it because it's part of the Microsoft Office suite. And it's an awesome thing to have on your computer. So here we go. So there you go. They're there right there. So they just went on ahead and made an Excel sheet for you, CSV file. Okay, hold on. Let's wait. Excuse me, you guys. All right, so now I'm going to go to Save As. And I'm going to save this as, see, I made one earlier, so we're going to save it as 2. And hit save. Okay, so now we're going to go back to Getresponse. So let's go to Getresponse. And I'm going to do a new share. Let's go close this out. Come on, thingy. All right, here we go. So I'm going to do a new share here. Let's open this up, you guys. New share to here. Okay, we're gonna let that load up. I'm already open in Getresponse. I literally just did this like 5 seconds ago, like right before I made this video for you guys. So that's how simple it is. It's very simple to do. We're just gonna let Getresponse open. Okay, so all right, so you can see this is what I did. I added those 600 people to my list. So right now I want to go to add contacts. Remember, go to add contacts. And you want to select the list you want to add them to. So I'm going to select the current one that I'm using right now. And you want to set them to the autoresponder cycle. So you're going to click there. So that would be my day 1. And you want to upload a file. All right, so you're going to go ahead and go to upload a file. And you're going to click right down in here, move that out the way. Select a file from your computer. So this is the new one right here. I'm going to get leads from my Gen Leads, seek number 2 rather, and hit open. I mean, when I tell you this is just so simple. So you see right there, it popped up, leads from my Legion Secret, the CSV file, and it says, what should we do with contact information? Add and update existing, only add new. We're just going to add update existing. Now you want to click this box because you don't want them to go into your spam, into their spam. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into this box here, click that box. I have permission to add these people to my list. You do have permission to add them to your list. Why? Because you've got these leads. You pay $1 a day for 200 leads or 100 leads a day. So they are your leads to use as you please. They are people. I like to say leads, but they are really just people. They're like you and me. When you started off, you were getting emails also, and you clicked on some, you didn't click on some, whatever opened your eyes is what you clicked, right? Okay, so these people are interested in working from home, starting a business, and there you go. So here we go. Assign 10 columns to the fields. I just went ahead and let the ones that are checked go through. They have their name, first name and last name on there, their email address, which is really what you really want, and their IP address. We don't really care about the day. That's what My Lead Gen Secret actually does, put the date that they signed up or they clicked in. So you want to say skip the column that's marked with a question mark, and that would be the one that has the day they signed in. And you click import. So they wanted, oh, you know what? I must have went over the limit. So we're not going to upgrade right now, but you do see that that's how easy it is. I'm not going to upgrade. I didn't know I was going over. I really didn't. Okay, so we're going to go back. But that's how you would do it. It's very, 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 very simple. There you go. Come on. And here I am. Okay, hello. Hello again. So I'm back. So that was very simple. All you had to do was go ahead, create a CSV file, download the leads. It'll make a CSV file on Excel. You will take that, go into Getresponse, and you will go into add contacts. Add contacts. From there, you would go and click how you want to do it. So you wanted to import it, you wanted to add them to your sequence, and you wanted to upload the file. So you upload the file after you have saved the file from Excel, that is. You upload that file into Getresponse, click what you want, make sure you put in that you are able to use these leads. And once you do that, I'm sorry, tongue twisted, you guys. And once you do that, you go ahead and hit import and import. Now, like I said, I added 600 earlier, so I did not know I was about to go over. But guess what? That's if you already have a sequence with Getresponse. But the best part about it is you can still use those leads, even the ones that did not cross over and Getresponse. You can still send them promotions with My Lead Gen Secret. I already had a sequence made with Getresponse, so I just went ahead and finished that campaign out and added some leads to those. Okay, so anywho, very simple. Hope you found value. I hope this was a help to you today. For those who are starting off with My Lead Gen Secret or with Getresponse Autoresponder, this is great. Now, if you really want to get My Lead Gen Secret, I can go ahead and put the clickable link in my description for you, and you can click that, Getresponse. My Lead Gen Secret. That is $30 to start, $30 to keep it going, but you get 100 to 200 leads a day, which is awesome. And you can promote whatever opportunity that you have with My Lead Gen Secret. Now, if you want to have an autoresponder, say you already have an opportunity and you want to use your own autoresponder and add leads as you go, like I just did, go ahead and click the link below. I will also put that link in for Getresponse. Now, to piggyback, if you go ahead and get the My Lead Gen Secret, we do offer bonuses to everybody who signs up because it's such an awesome program. I don't know why. To me, my opinion, it's awesome. So I don't know why people don't want to do it. 100 to 200 leads a day, especially if you're starting off as a newbie and you don't know how to get leads. It's cheaper than solo ads. Solo ads is sometimes a hit or miss because you're using their email list. It's a hit or miss. You never know. But with these, you know that these are high converting leads and you're only paying $1 a day to get them. Solo ads can get expensive. They can. I've used them before. I know nothing against solo ads. I've used them before. And yes, I had a great turnout with the provider that I used. Yet for $1 a day, I spent less with my lead gen secret and got more leads. So think about it. So until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button down in the corner. And I will get back with you later. Everybody, I want you all to be awesome. Enjoy your day. Keep smiling and be happy. Talk to you later next time. Bye-bye.
Run that back, turbo. You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up. Run that back, turbo. You can get the biggest Chanel.